Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create stylish headline text using tracking in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a horizontal banner canvas. First I type a headline using a bold, modern font style. Then I highlight the text and adjust tracking to space letters evenly for a polished look. After that I duplicate the layer and try a slightly tighter tracking to compare visual impact. Now I add subtle gradient overlays on the text to enhance modern aesthetics. Next I apply soft shadows using layer styles to lift the headline from the background. Then I use guides to check alignment and spacing between letters. After this I tweak tracking and kerning together for perfect letter proportion. Now I zoom